The definite article is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of the noun is known to the reader. The indefinite article is used before a noun that is general or when its identity is not known. An adjective is a word we use to describe a person, place, or thing. An adjective modifies nouns or pronouns. An adverb is a part of speech that provides greater description to a verb, adjective, another adverb, a phrase, a clause, or a sentence. An auxiliary verb, or helping verb as it's also called, is used with a main verb to help express the main verb's tense, mood, or voice. A clause consists of a subject and a verb and is the smallest grammatical unit that expresses a thought. The infinitive form of a verb is the verb in its basic form. It is the version of the verb which will appear in the dictionary. Modal verbs are auxiliary verbs, also called helping verbs, like can, will, could, shall, must, would, might, and should. After a modal verb, the root form of a verb is generally used.